freedom, unity, equality. How did the European flag come to represent these ideals? The Council of Europe and later the European Communities adopted a flag. 12 gold stars on a blue background. Since then, it's become a symbol of European values, a symbol of peace and hope that emerged from the ashes of World War II. It represents unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. Today, the flag has also become a powerful emblem beyond EU borders, a rallying point for people fighting for their rights, for freedom and democracy, dignity and equality, the rule of law and human rights, peace and security. Nearly 70 years after it was created, the EU flag does not only represent European ideals, but it has become a symbol of hope.